change of season. Call it what you want, my age of reason. Call it what you want, it was a bad time. All the broader realization, a time for reevaluation. The grass is always greener on the other side. Reckless, but justified. I took the steps on the road before me. I was the one to decide who I'd be. Damned if I do, but damn sure if I don't. Brought a chance of refuge. Nothing good ever came from being too scared to call it what you want, just listen through. Oh, I gave myself a good old talking to. I took the steps on the road before me. Decide who I be. Damn if I do, but damn sure if I don't. I took the lead right out the cliffside. I was the one to put the good and goodbye. Now I know and I know which way to go. I took the steps on the road before me. I was the one to decide who I be. Damn if I do, but damn sure if I know. I took the lead right out the cliffside. I was the one to put the good and goodbye. Now I know and I don't know which way to go. To look a little closer to home. Country. My life's sure been pretty good to me. I could tell you all about my heartbreaks, and boys, well, they ain't always what they seem. I wrote some songs about my exes, but not one of them lives in Texas. And I ain't said one fool until the same. But I guess you could call me an old time soul. Give me Dolly and Elvis and Billy Joe. I could sure tell a story I would like to know. If it's a country song that you're looking for, I don't play guitar, I play piano. I've never been all that good everything. I ain't keep somebody's car, I prop up the smoky western bar, saying I'm lonesome and just searching for a friend. I ain't lived through these cliches, but boy, I've heard them. Spent my whole life dreaming dreams that don't come true. My fairy tale keeps stalling without everything I wanted, but I keep moving. song that you're looking for. Well, I guess you could call me a low-down soul. Give me time and Elvis, Billy Joe. I'm a sure tale of story of a thousand more. If it's a country song that you're looking for.